Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and there's Lulu eating the drop plums, as you can see right there. What is with you with unripe plums? This video is going to be about my Nopales cactus, and it's leading off an older video I tried to create, but my son comically interrupted. I want to be able to produce the tunas or the prickly pear off of it, but it seems like it just doesn't want to do it. It's been here for, I think it's over 3 years now, and it just keeps making pads over and over and over. I keep pruning it down, thinning it out, and it just keeps making pads. So instead of looking online and seeing what can I do with these pads, how can I ingest them, how can I cook with them, I like just to ask everybody, if you guys have cooked with it before, what do I use these pads for? You know, I've seen it used with onions and eggs, but anything else I could use it for? Let me know in the comment section below. I've heard it's extremely nutritional, almost like a superfood in some cases of some of its nutritional facts. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.